You are welcome to part 2 of this training. We'll be looking at organize your chat, your WhatsApp business tool. All right. Under it, we have the list, we have greeting messages, away messages, quick replies, and we'll be looking at this one after the other. All right. So after we have done the catalog, the next thing that you will see is adverts, but it's basically how to run ads through your WhatsApp to Facebook or Instagram. So the next one is organize your chat. This is very important because a lot of people are not doing it the right way. Okay. The thing is, when when you organize your charts in such a way that it is automated, it will give you a professional feel. Even the clients will feel comfortable that they are speaking to an organized brand or organization. All right. So let's look at these ones here under organize your chart. Anything that is organized make work easy. It's goes like a structure that we've put in place. You understand? So the first one is list. Manage people and group. You get? So let's open that one. List in WhatsApp business allow you to manage people and group in an organized way. All right. Think of list as your own custom contact group. You are the one to create it, customize it in such a way that it suits you, to make it easy for you to navigate different people. It's just like labeling them. Like in your kitchen now, if you label all your spices, label all your ingredients, it makes it easier for you to quickly know which one you need at a particular time. For example, you can create a list called VIP. This place, for instance, will give you opportunity to create any list you want. Like this one you are seeing here now. I created it myself. Graphics, customers, anything I want. Okay, you can create it. These ones you are seeing here, all these ones you are seeing here, all these ones like this, it was created. You might find it on your own phone, you might not find it, so you can always delete them and replace them with the one that comforts you. Okay. For instance, new lead. If you get a new lead in Lagos, maybe you went out and you got new people, prospects, you can create a list for them. You can create a list of wholesale buyers or past clients. You can create a list for past clients so that you will know the kind of message you send them to ginger them up so that they can buy more. Okay. So once you have a list, you can easily send broadcast messages to everyone in that list without adding them to a group. Speak directly to the right people at the right time without spamming them. People don't want you adding them to group. They will remove themselves. But you get, when you use list here, you can have all the people that you have the same objective and put them together without them knowing. The next after list is greeting messages, which is very important. Okay, so let's talk about greeting messages. Let's talk about it. This one. They said that welcome new customers. They said this one of my favorite automatic tools in the WhatsApp business. It's my favorite, okay, because it helps me to greet my people. That not that somebody will send you message and they can't hear anything. You get? A greeting message is an automatic welcome message that is sent to any new customer. Okay, so you are the one to customize the greeting. Okay, yes. For example, you can say, hello, welcome to so and so, whatever your business is. Thank you for reaching out. How may we assist you? You know, this particular tool creates a great first impression about your brand. It is very important you write it out so that, for instance, let's say you are too busy to reply immediately. It makes your business look organized and customer focused. Businesses. Thank you for reaching out. How may we assist you? This particular tool creates a great first impression about your brand. It is very important you write it out so that, for instance, let's say you are too busy to reply immediately. It makes your business look organized and customer focused. For the very first time, they know that, okay, this is a brand. This number is for a brand, because when they talk to you, this WhatsApp message automatically talks back to them. You understand? So let's look at the one that I did for my own business. See now, this one is customized. Hello, welcome to Fearless Digital Co. That is what I use this this line for. We help business and individuals grow their visibility, create powerful content, and use social media platform and digital tools to scale and generate income. You are the one to write what fits. You customize it to fit your brand. It's very important. Okay, so that's one is for the greeting. Greeting is somebody that hasn't spoken to you for a long time or somebody that's just talking to you for the first time. This WhatsApp business will automatically speak to them even when you are not even available on your phone. The next one that we want to talk about is away message. As the name implies, this one automatically reply people when you are away. You understand? For example, maybe at night or during the weekend or when you are in a meeting, okay, you can set a customized message like, thank you for your message, our team is currently away, we will be replying to you within 2 hours during business hours, or today we only work Monday to Saturday, we will kindly have patience, we will reply you on Monday during the working hours on Monday. It makes people feel like they are not ignored. All right, it builds trust because customers know that you haven't ignored them. It manages expectations and prevents frustration. I've sent this one message since, does this one want to sell? That this would not make them feel that way. So always use it. Write something there that if I put it on now, this is there. If I don't want it to be like this, you click on this pencil and change it. Thank you for your message, we are unavailable right now, but we'll respond soon, as soon as possible. Another one is the quick reply. Quick reply. This one, it's like where you store a reply for something, you go and store it there. Anytime anybody asks me how much, these are the list of what I sell that I will send to the person. Quick reply. You don't need to start trying to write. Maybe you are driving, for instance, or you are in the midst of something very important. Okay, quick reply will help you to automatically answer people before you even have time, because you have already set it there. All right, so you will write whatever you want to write and save it, like you save it into a board. You save it there. So how much, what are your terms, what are the list of what you sell? You just quickly go to this quick reply, touch it. For example, your business address or delivery information, price list, payment details, thank you for or thank you or confirming that you have seen receipt, they send money to you, or common question about your product, frequently asked question. You would have written it down somewhere. You would have written inside this quick reply. Okay, instead of having to type it all the time, type the same thing to different people. You just have already customized everything down. So once they ask, you just press on the quick reply and they get it. This helps you to reply faster, stay consistent, and sound professional even when you are very busy. All right. So this quick reply and all these 4 tools, let me even see how it is. See the one I wrote. Thank you for your interest in working with Fearless Digital. We help business grow, content creation. So I'm telling them the things I want. I've kept this one here. I also kept this one here. If I want to keep another one, I will do it like this. I'll write whatever it is I want to write. I keep it here. When somebody asks me a question relating to any of these quick replies I put here, I'll just click on it and it appears to that person instead of me having to type all this. Do you understand? So basically, that's what the quick reply is. All right. So these 4 tools that I've talked to you about, list, greeting, messages, away message, and quick replies are simply but extremely powerful. They are powerful because they communicate. They are simple but extremely powerful. When you use them properly, your WhatsApp business stop being just a messaging app and become a real business system. You are putting system in place and it works for 24 hours. So you understand, even when you are sleeping, your company is still doing its customer service. All right, automated. So basically, that is what this tool is about. So let's go to the next one. We have already worked on our profile in the first training. I actually dealt with that very well. So when you are done with your profile, you have something like this. You have something like this. If you don't want, this is the banner I told you before. This place is the banner, right? Let me do it like this. This place is the banner, and For you to change it, you click on this arrow, you click on this camera icon to change it. You can use your banner, your whatever, flyer or something. Like I told you, I like to relate. I like my customers feel comfortable that there is a face behind the brand. So I'm proud of my brand. So I always try to put my face in my brand. You get. Then this one is the profile place picture. You click on this camera stuff and change it to, my advice, use logo. You have your face here, use logo, but do what pleases your brand. You understand your brand, so do what pleases your brand. My own is just to enlighten you about the tools and how to use it. You still need to use everything. So by the end of this, I will show you the quickest way that you can use to set this up, that you don't need to crack your brain at all. You don't need to crack your brain at all. So we have the brand name. This is where that one is. Then the shopping and related. Okay, so I have taught you that one too, to get your category. Okay, to get your category, this place, you click on it. For instance, it will take you to your category. So whatever brand what category your brand is it entertainment, beauty, cosmetic and all that? So you pick that one there. Then this one is, you schedule your days of work. Okay, so me, I will zoom 9 o'clock and end by 6. All right, Sunday and I'm not working. Then you write your business description here. I just wanted to list my own, but you can write a concise one, and I've told you, I'll teach you how to do everything, fix everything in minutes. All right, links. If you have a website, put it here. We talked about catalog and we created catalog in the first training. All right, so this is the catalog. This is the product I have on my catalog. You can put multiple ones there. Then this place is the links. You need to use you can use link tree, so that if you have multiple links, you use link tree and put the link here. Or if you just want, like this product now, me, I put the link here because I want people to buy. But if you have plenty products, you can put many links, you understand, or different things. Then you can link your WhatsApp to your Instagram. You can link it to your Facebook, you understand. Then this place, contact, they can contact you via email if you want, you understand. They can contact you, and then this is your phone number. So basically you have set up a business structure, okay, that when people come, they feel comfortable to relate with you. Do you get? So all that I have been saying, well done for getting to this stage. I needed to put you through step by step. Okay, just like someone that wants to drive a car. They say when you drive manual car, you'll be very good with the automatic. Although that, me, I really don't believe in that one, sha, but you should know all the nitty-gritties. The reason why we started like that. But in all of this, we are in that era where you can do things in seconds. Okay, so setting up all these tools now, it's no longer a long thing. Thinking of what to write on your even how to put your catalog, and what to write on your list, what to do this, what to do that one, is no more a problem. You get? What you will do is this now. Once you open your tools, you just screen munch. Okay, screen munch, come to settings. Okay, open this place. Even if you've not written anything, you've not done anything here, just screenshot it like this. Let me quickly do it for you, so that for those of you, for our elderly people that are here, that sometimes all these things can be overwhelming for them, you just screenshot this thing like this to ChatGPT, and you say, I'm setting up my WhatsApp business professionally. My business is, say all what your business is into. Okay, kindly help me set it up. Help me set set it up. Then you now click on this, plus side, this plus sign, and go to picture, or photo, go to photo. It will take you to your gallery. That one that you screen munch, that your empty to profile place that you screen munch, click on done. You have brought it here. You say I'm setting up my WhatsApp business um profile. All right, profile professionally. Mine is my business, Your own is to put what to do. Okay, put what to do, and then send it. It will not be giving you direction what to do. So I've sent it now. You see, you said my own is even good. Okay, okay. Avoid adding extra here, keep it official. Tele digital code. You see, he has, what you have is good, your logo. You see, he's saying my things are okay. So for you that you don't have at all, he will tell you what to do. You get here. He might have here. I know he will have problem with this my description that I just listed here. He wants me to write, we help brands grow, stand out, convert online, specialize in social media management. He gave me about 2 options. He said building fearless brand that dominates online. We don't just post, we position, grow, and convert your audience into paying clients. You understand? He gave me 2 options of the business description, which I can do. So let me just go and do that. Or let me see this one. He said we help brands grow, stand out, and convert online, specialized in social media management. I think I like this one, so I just copy it the same way you will be doing your own too. Once he gives you idea, you copy. If you like it, you copy it, go back to your stuff. Do you understand? Me, my description, I just listed it in here. Now laziness. So he has given me a new one. I just, you know, post it. Now I have a description. Okay, save it. See, now my description is here. We help brands grow, stand out, and convert online, specialize in social media management, branding, content strategy, digital. So we are in the AI era. Use your ChatGPT to help yourself. It will give you everything you need. Okay, and you just copy and paste, and life will be easy for us all. All right, thank you for joining this class. I hope you have learned something. Go and set up your